Hi guys, I just wanted to share some vintage children's books that I'll be putting into my Etsy shop, and these are in Australia. These were small books that were given out in classroom to learn how to read mostly. So I've got a couple of different packs that I'll be putting together, and this is the first pack. This pack has 4 different books. And what I'll be doing as well, I'll upload another video separate after this one with a different pack. But what I'll do, I know not everyone will want all 4 books, so I will also put some books individually. Just because, you know, if you say wanted just this book, you may not want the other 3. So I'd like to be able to just give you the one you want as well. But if you wanted, say, 1 book out of this pack and 1 book out of the next pack, just email me through Etsy, because I do have multiple copies of all of these. So I may be, depending on how many I've got, I may be able to, you know, pick the books and make you a special little pack of just the books you want. Okay, so this is the first book. And excuse these are still a bit dusty. I've literally just taken them out of the box where they've been sitting in a box for many years. So I will dust them off and everything later tonight. I just wanted to get them up because tomorrow I'll be out all day and won't get a chance. So I'd like to get this video up today and get them listed. So I'll do a flip through of all of them because they're so gorgeous. And it's funny because I actually remember a lot of these. So the first one, it's called Gay Days. And look at, even the cover is just so cute. Okay, let me just zoom you in a little so you can see the images okay. And I'm not sure what year these are. I think they're mostly 70s. I should have looked, shouldn't I, before I started the video. But anyway, if I can find it, I don't want to guess. If I don't know, I just won't put it in the listing. But all the details will be in the Etsy listing anyway. And I'll put a link to my Etsy shop in the comments box below. So the first one is Gay Days. And these are so gorgeous. I love these. Look at that, so pretty. So you can put these pages in your journals as they are, because they're very easy to pull apart. They're just 2 staples in the middle. Or you could, you know, cut the little pictures out, kind of die cut style, to use on embellishments. Like this one, the rocking horse, that is gorgeous. I love this one. Like that one would be nice to cut out, you know, cut out, make it look like a die cut, and put it on the front of a journal, like a children's journal or something, a baby journal, baby book. The little teddy bears on the shelf. I just love it. Look at her little dolls and her little doll furniture in there. That's really cute. So that's the first one. The second one is a book to read. Sorry, the neighbours decided to bring their rubbish bins in just when I start filming. This one is super cute. Look at these. David, Sue, Wendy. Oh, Sue Freeman and Wendy Mason, you're in here. Who else have we got? Oh, but look, Sue, you look so little and cute and innocent. Look at her little horse that she pulls along. I love this book. It's so cute. I actually remember a lot of these. As I was sorting out the box, I was sitting there flipping through. Like, I remember a lot of these books. I just think these would be so awesome in journals. This one, it's fun to read. Sorry, there's a glare from my lamp. Little ducky on the front with some little dog and a cat. Oh, sorry, I have to show you this, but look. Oh, I'm getting low battery. Look at that little kitty in the pram. Peeping out. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. And the covers are a bit worn, but like inside, they're quite good condition. Well, from the ones I've seen so far. Some of them, the pages have yellowed a little, and I've got some other ones to just give you a quick look so you can see the differences in them. So cute. That's that one. How am I going for time? I don't want to cut off. Okay, this one is Seaside Story. And this one's a lot thicker than the rest. So this one, you see, it's got some children's scribble there. You know, it's got natural aging, distressing. Some of the pages are folded. But look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Water fairies. Oops, I hope you can see my big hands aren't in the way. Sorry, I'm trying to do it quick because I don't want you to have a 10-hour video. Little bunnies. Oh, I'll be seeing shoe bunnies again soon if I don't sleep tonight. I was up at like 1:30 in the morning making little bug tags. Look, haven't sewn them yet. Isn't that cute? Okay, don't get sidetracked. See, this one has some staining. But I actually think that's better than plain bright white. I mean, they're old books. You want them to look old. That's so pretty. Look at that. Actually, JD, you just did an autumn leaf journal. Not autumn leaves, but an autumn journal. Some scribble in the back so you can see staining. So that's the first pack I will put in my shop, and I will also put some of these individually. But to give you an idea, so they're all in various states of, like, the conditions sort of, actually they're not too different. You know, some have little marks, some have staining more than others. Some have little scribble marks, like this one, the cover's folded. This one, the pages are a little more yellowed. But for the most part, the insides are quite good. That one's got a bit of staining. But you'll just get one at random. So what I'm doing, I'm making up, see this one, the pages are more yellowed than the one that I flipped through. The one I flipped through, the pages were quite white. So I prefer one that's yellowed. This one has a bit of scribble. The cover though, because the covers, some of them are a bit, like this one's scuffed up, you can just cut the little image out because it's really cute. Look. That one's a bit more yellowed as well. This one has a lot of scribble. That might clean up if I give it a clean. So yeah, they're fairly similar condition, but some are a little more scruffed up than others. So what I'm doing is I'm making 10 packs of these 4 books that I've shown you. I've got a squeaky floorboard under me. It annoys me every time I move. So these covers of the Seaside Story, I think were the ones that were a little more beaten up than others. But inside, they're okay. This one's got some tape and a loose page. But I'll try and swap that one out for one that's less damaged. But they're all, yeah, I mean, some are in better condition than others, but they're quite old, so you can't expect them to be in perfect nick. But anyway, I will be putting this pack into my Etsy shop this afternoon, or shortly after the video, and I'll have 10 packs of these, so you get one of each book in the pack. Yeah, and then I'll be back in a couple of hours with another pack. Thanks for watching. Bye.